Greetings folks, this is Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a general product overview for you guys on the Napoleon Vector Gas Fireplace. So this is going to be a zero clearance gas fireplace, which means it is designed to be built right into your wall and you can frame right up to it. The Vector is available in various sizes. This is going to be the 50-inch model shown right here. They have a 38-inch model, a 50-inch model, I believe a 60 and a 72-inch model available in this one. So this model is going to have the safety screen, so it is going to be different than the Luxuria model. Now the Vector model is in a much lower price point because of the safety screen. So as you can see behind me, it's, it really doesn't look bad. Napoleon does a really nice job with their screens on their gas fireplaces. It doesn't really hurt from blocking the view or anything like that. So in here, it's not currently running right now, and they've added this saxophone because we're at the show in New Orleans. This is not actually an option for your interior firebox, but they do have a lot of options that you can add, different glass kits, different log sets. They have like cool little contemporary nickel balls and sticks, all kinds of options. You can do reflective panels on the interior, which is shown in here right now. That really looks nice with the dancing flame. This is actually available in a see-through fireplace model as well. So Napoleon gas units are going to come standard for natural gas. They can be converted to propane with a conversion kit. So I hope you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.